Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. It's Tony here, your favorite YouTuber. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and overview of the BlackBerry Evolve. Now that unboxing is going to be unique for me simply because a few months down the line I never really knew this phone existed, guys. Simply because it was released in 2018, actually 2 years ago, in India as well as USA. Yes, the great America, and nowhere else pretty much in Europe. Never really made it to the shelves, guys. So for me, that's why it's an interesting device. And although I'm not the biggest, and the baddest BlackBerry fan out there, I've got a few BlackBerries like the Z10 over here. That's developer prototype version. I've got the BlackBerry Leap, and I've got the Big Daddy, the BlackBerry Passport. Most of those BlackBerries you can find on my channel, but make no mistake, this phone is not made by the same BlackBerry that made all of those great phones. Rather than this phone was made from the same company which made the Alcatel Idol 3 and the BlackBerry DTEC 50, which is the Chinese TCL. There's nothing wrong about it, but it's just the quality is just not there, guys. And price-wise, these are cheap phones, but they're trying to charge a premium for the Evolve. At least that was the case a few, it was released actually. At the moment, currently at the end of 2020, you can pick this one up from the USA. Keep in mind, you have to look for the unlocked version, not the T-Mobile version, for about how much? About 140, 130 pounds, something like that. As you can see over here, I've got myself a brand new sealed unit, guys. Check this out. I really love this small little detail here. The small little Android, small little. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. Anyways, let's get to the specifications straight away, guys. And I'm very happy that they've got them printed on the box over here, which is the BlackBerry DTEC security warning app. Rather use this one. Android One, a disappointment straight away, pretty much out of the box. We've got a almost 6-inch LCD screen, full HD plus resolution, which is okay, 1080p, 13 megapixel dual camera setup. The second one is black and white one, which means absolutely useless. 16 megapixel front facing camera, which is good. 4 gigs of RAM, the bare minimum pretty much. 64 gigs of storage, 4000 milliamp hours of battery. This is good. Quick charge technology, I'm gonna take that with a pinch of salt. I'm going to see how fast it is. And Snapdragon 450. Now, if you follow me on my channel, I really am not a fan of the Snapdragon 4 series, guys. So this might be a problem over here. And it's a 4G phone. I still have no information about the stereo speakers, this and that. I'm about to test it out. But man, let me get this bad boy out of the box over here, and I'm gonna see. Actually, I'm gonna get a knife. Knife in the house. Oh yes, just a small cut over here. Right, so what do we have, guys? All right, so we do it on this side. Okay, check this out. Most secure Android smartphone. Okay, if you say so. Yeah, and this is the phone itself, guys. Check this out. I absolutely love the BlackBerry Shield logo over here that they've put randomly on their products. And check this out, guys. I can't wait to take it out of the wrap over here. I'm just gonna leave it on the side over here for now, just to see what else do we have in this box. Action starts here. BlackBerry Evolve. Now they've got a different version of this phone, the Evolve X. Okay, trolling sticker, that's really quite nice. They've got the Evolve X with bump out specs, but it's not available pretty much anywhere. So yeah, let's see, what do we have over here? This is cool, guys. How cool is that? Check this out. The BlackBerry, SIM pin tool over here. What else do we have? We have 3 boxes. Okay, let's see. Oh man, these 3 boxes. Okay, first box is our charger over here. What do we have inside the charger, guys? Inside the charger we've got a charger, of course, but rather interesting, like square brick type of charger over here, guys. Let me check the wattage quickly. What do we have over here, guys? So 18 watts. 18 watts is, well, not the fastest in the world, but I guess it's going to charge the battery under 2 hours, which is kind of okay, because I mean, with the asking price of, you know, how much is it now, 150, something like that, you can't expect you know, miracles anyways. So let's just continue to see what do we have. We've got a USB Type-C cable, absolutely nothing special over here, guys, pretty much. And let's see what do we have in the last box. He's got a symbol of headphones, so I can imagine it has headphones, most probably. Let's see. Right, I'm just having fun, guys. I mean, we've got some sort of, you know, earbuds over here, BlackBerry branded, from what I can see. Anyway, they're not gonna leave this box ever, I can absolutely guarantee you that. But anyway, I'm happy that at least you've got something. Let me see, this was a perfect chance for a hidden compartment over here, but unfortunately it is not a hidden compartment, guys. There is no case or anything like that. They could have checked, you know, a 1-pound silicone case, but I guess they didn't. I'm gonna have to look for a case elsewhere, guys. So I'm just going to leave this box on the side over here, and I'm just gonna have a look at the phone. But man, let me take these wraps off. Oh yeah. Oh yes, and from what I can see, guys, this screams durable. Check this out. It's made of this weird kind of, you know, rubbery material over here. At least the BlackBerry logo, oh no, it's going to come out. I'm really not sure if it's going to come out like the old BlackBerries, but it is you know, very nice. It's black, it's very subtle. We've got a square fingerprint over here. They use the secondary camera over here, a mic. But check this out, I really like the texture, guys. I'm just going to peel this one off as well. This is rather thick, by the way. I don't know why is it so thick. They could have put, you know, screen protect. Don't tell me that was a screen protector. Just don't tell me this was a screen bloody hell, this was a screen protector. Right. Okay, I just messed up the screen protector. Anyways, no screen protector for me then. And check this out, guys. We've got the BlackBerry logo over here at the bottom. I really like that. What else do we have? We've got speakers over here, micro USB. The power button over here is reached. I really like that as well. 3.5mm jack on point over here, but man, we've got the SIM card slot over here. I really like what I see, guys. Really like what I see. I'm just going to power this baby on. You saw my black shirt, black t-shirt. But yeah, so far so good. I absolutely love what I see. Let me just check it out quickly, and I'm gonna tell you my kind of, you know, first quick impressions of this phone. Okay guys, so I've played around with the phone for a few minutes, and let me tell you my first impressions. This is a proper BlackBerry quality. No matter what you touch is a high quality materials over here. There is a system update. My battery is too low, but I'm going to apply it. Now you've got a rear mounted fingerprint reader which works fine. It's not the fastest in the world, but probably because it's, you know, continuing the setup, this and that. Over here you've got a notification LED, guys, and check this out, how the corners are rounded over here. I really like that. You've got face unlock as well, guys. Again, not the fastest in the world, but it definitely works out fine. As you can see at the bottom over here, again, the rounded corners. We've got the BlackBerry launcher over here, guys, and we've got this productivity tab over here where you can set up different functions and stuff like that. One disappointment though, the speaker system over here, there is no stereo speakers, guys, only one bottom firing speaker, which is not that great. So far I really like what I see. I like the build quality and I like the price. 150 pounds, this is good, but is it good enough? We are about to find out in my full review. So far so good. I worry about the processor a little bit, nothing else. And the cameras are probably just about average, although the front facing camera is promising. So I'm gonna see you in a few weeks to see whether I like the new BlackBerry Evolve. Yeah, why not? I'm gonna see you in a few weeks, guys. See you later, and subscribe, of course. Adios.